These are of two types, square shank key and flat shank key. Okay, flat or rectangular you can say. Second, saddle key. Third, give head key. Fourth, Kennedy key. This is also called your heavy duty key. Heavy duty key. Then fifth, feather key. Sixth, woodruff key. Seven, spline. Spline keys or spline shaft. Okay. So one by one we will start it. So first we are starting with this shank key. Shank key. So write down heading. Shank key. शंख की में लिखूं, ये दो टाइप का है ना, तो डायग्राम बना दो इसका। स्क्वायर की एंड फ्लैट की। सो इन स्क्वायर की this will be the shape, square shape, like this. This is the dimension A and A. So A by 2 will be shared on both sides, shaft and hub, and L is the length. Here B is the width, H is the height, but H by 2 will be shared on both sides. Here also length is L. Length is L. So half cross section will be shared on both sides. Hub side and shaft side. hub side and shaft side. So exact location of P is not known. So force P will be assumed acting like this. Let's say P here and let's say P here. P here and P here. In this case also P and P will be assumed here. Now, few points about the shunt keys. First, these are of square and rectangular section. Here direct लिख दो, half portion here, half cross section will be shared on both sides, shaft and hub. Exact location of P is not known, so it is assumed acting as shown. It is assumed acting as shown. Okay. Next, these keys are subjected to shearing over the mid plane. Shearing over the mid plane. Hence, power is transferred with the help of shear strength of the key. Shear strength of the key. So if shear strength will be high, more power can be transferred. Shear strength will be low, less power you can transfer. ठीक है. Generally, the shear strength of the key is less than shear yield strength of the shaft, because in case of sudden load or shock, cheap key must fail, rather costly shaft. shaft अपना costly रहता है, so generally we select the key material in such a way that yield strength of key is little smaller than the yield strength of the shaft, so that अगर कभी sudden load लगता है then key will fail, not the shaft, because shaft is costly and key are smaller parts, you can replace the key easily. Yes or no? Next, keys can transfer more load and power in comparison to belt drives, etc., because no slipping is possible here. In case of keys, there cannot be slipping between shaft and hub. So more load and more power you can transfer in comparison to your simple methods. Okay. So simple methods are like belt and pulley. We have considered in the engineering mechanics. Yes or no? So this was your simplest key, sunk key. It will be of two type, square key and the flat key. So this is your square key and flat key. बन गया सबका?